business owner example, wonderful example. Devi owned a small snacks shop in our town. Small snacks shop in our in our town. She always said, "Mine is mine is just a small business. How I can compete with big brands?" Array, a small chota business in his native place, in our native place. Snacks store shop it is. It's a very small chota. Okay, every small chota business. It's a very small chota business. How I can compete with the big brands? Like she's always thinking. Okay, she's not having the dare to compete with the big brands. That's why she's always doing like get on in that small shop only. One day she attended a seminar and heard. Assume that she attended Durga Sir seminar and she heard that every brand was once a small shop. I used it just before this session, right? Before this topic, right? Everything, every big thing what we are seeing today started at very small level. Believe me, sir. Very, very small level. Okay, Amazon, where it is started. You can see a small room, a small computer, old computer. Jeff Bezos, that image, if you want, you can check in the Google. In the Google, the first early days of Amazon. Next, yes, anything. Infosys started in the kitchen room. Reliance started a small thing in the Gujarat, a small oil selling business. Next, slowly cloth store, and so on. Now they had a number of businesses. Whatever we are seeing today is a very small only. Okay, like mentor gave left and right to the Devi, that snacks shop owner. Then automatically she attended a seminar and heard every brand was once a small. Sometimes so by listening that something is lit in her head inside her. Oh, correct. Why I'm always thinking a bit low level about my shop, like she changed her shop board too. Observe that very carefully. She changed her shop board too. Devi's homemade taste. Devi's homemade taste. Homemade taste. Made with love. She changed the big board. Devi's homemade taste. Made with love. This is the board she kept for her small snacks shop. She started wearing clean aprons, gave customers handwritten thank you notes, and posted photos on social media like. So what the big companies are doing, the same thing in the small shop she started doing. Then automatically what happened? Soon she began supplying snacks to local supermarkets. She laughed and said, I was never a small business, only my thinking was a small. I was never be a small business. My thinking was a small. Same shop only. Just the board changed. Our way of thinking got changed. Then automatically, now it became a brand. Remember that everything is going to be started from very small only. Best example, physics wala. Now, thousands of crores person, physics wala. In the corona time, a small board he kept and he started teaching physics and shooting and uploading the video in the YouTube. Now, can you please imagine his net worth? Everything bigger, everything what we are saying big started from the small. To start anything, to create any bigger thing, which is required, nothing is required, just start action. When identity upgrades, income follows. Observe very carefully about these things, right? Devi's example, shop example. Once she realized that, okay, my thinking was a small. My identity, I want to create a bigger at Devi's homemade foods made with love. She changed the word. She changed the way of doing. Doing the things. So clean aprons she is wearing while serving the customers, and she is giving thank you note for the customers, and the posts she kept in the social media what the big companies are doing. Now one fine day it became the brand. The same thing in the world. Remember that. Nothing is going to be started at a bigger level at the beginning. It will start from the very small level only. Okay, with the corresponding actions, it will grow to the next level.